Introducing the new Bauhn 15.6-inch portable monitor sold exclusively at Aldi. This monitor is versatile and is designed to enhance your workspace or entertainment setup wherever you go. Inside the box, you will find the monitor itself, a protective foldable case, a USB-A to USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a HDMI to mini HDMI cable, and a user manual and warranty card. Let's go through all the different ports and buttons on the monitor. Included is a mini HDMI port, a USB-C port that you can use for either power or signal input, and another USB-C port used for power only. Then on the other side, we have the power button, the control wheel, which is used to scroll through the menu or confirm a selection, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. You can also fold out the included magnetic case for easy setup. It can double as a stand, giving you flexibility to adjust viewing angles for comfort and convenience. To get started, connect the monitor to a power source using the USB-C to USB-A cable provided. For uninterrupted use, it's recommended to connect to an external power adapter rated at over 15 watts. To turn the monitor on, press and hold the power button until the power indicator light turns on. When connected, the light will glow blue, indicating the monitor is ready to use. This portable monitor offers versatile connectivity where you can connect to your devices in various ways. Use the USB-C to USB-C cable to connect directly to a compatible laptop or smartphone that supports video output, but just make sure you're using the middle USB-C port on the monitor. You can also connect a device by HDMI using the HDMI to mini HDMI cable. Remember, the HDMI port is strictly for video signal, so you will still need to connect the monitor by USB-C to supply power. Once connected, go to your device's display settings to adjust the resolution to 1920 by 1080 for clear, full HD display. You can even select between duplicate, extend, or single display mode, depending on your needs. For brightness, contrast, and other settings, press the control wheel to access the on-screen menu. Use the wheel to navigate through options like Eco Mode, Low Blue Light, Mute the Volume, and more. Simply press the power button to exit the menu when you're done. You can adjust the volume by going into the menu and into the other section and adjusting the volume accordingly. If you prefer private listening, you can plug headphones into the monitor's 3.5mm jack as shown here. Your new Bauhn portable monitor can also charge your laptop or phone as it supports power delivery. It can output power by a USB-C cable, up to a maximum of 60 watts, depending on the power source being used to power the monitor, all while being a screen to your device. If you encounter any issues such as no display, make sure you check the cable connection and ensure the power source is stable and rated at least 15 watts. Also make sure that your device's USB-C port supports audio and video output. If the monitor starts flickering, change the refresh rate of your device to 60 Hz. We hope you enjoy the portability and performance of your new Bauhn portable monitor. For any additional questions or assistance, please contact us on 130002534.